What's up guys, and this is the brand new Samsung Galaxy A70. Just got it almost at 29,000 Indian rupees, and that makes it 400 US dollars. Yeah, this one is blue color. You guys know I already have the black Galaxy A50, so why not try blue one? Okay, so this is the normal box packaging. We have the A70 right on front, while there's a few specifications on the back. There's Infinity U display, on-screen fingerprint, super fast charging, that means 25-watt fast charging. I haven't mentioned the processor, but it is actually having the Snapdragon 675. Yeah, that's the first ever Samsung phone with the 675 SoC. And the display is really large. It is 6.7 inches full screen panel. There's 3 cameras on the back and 32 megapixel front facing shooter, along with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. Alright, so it's time to open this thing, and yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy A70. Looks really gorgeous plus large, and yeah, this is the blue color. Wow, just look at this thing guys. Just look at this thing. I mean, in comparison to the black one, blue looks really different and gorgeous, I think. Wow. Okay, so let's keep it aside for a few seconds. I'm gonna show you the charger, and this is a 25-watt charger. There's written super fast charging, and the battery charging test plus draining test is coming really soon. There's earphones and USB Type-C cable. There's a few guides in this box plus a transparent TPU case, so nothing new I would say. Let's unwrap it. Comes with this plastic cover. So here's your 6.7 inches Super AMOLED screen, and it's actually light. Looks really great in hands. Light blue color option on the back panel, but the frame is dark blue. Looks really gorgeous. Wow. Let's boot this thing up. And this thing runs on Android 9.0 Pie, that's Samsung's latest One UI. And I want to see how Samsung has done the optimization, like the Snapdragon 675 paired with One UI. There's headphone jack, USB Type-C port, and speakers. Nothing on the top. Left there's SIM card tray and volume rockers plus power key on the right. Also, if you compare this thing with the Galaxy A50, the display, oh, just look at that chin guys. Just look at that chin. It's really small. I mean, smaller than the Galaxy A50. Wow, that's almost equivalent to the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. I mean, the highest screen to body ratio the Galaxy A series has right now. And while setting up this Galaxy A70, do note that you have to choose only the main information, like just ignore the optional one, and that's gonna help you in less advertisement, I think. Skip this one now. Let me try this fingerprint sensor, if it is faster than the Galaxy A50 or not. So let's try this one. And I have a speed test coming in really soon with the Galaxy A50 versus the Galaxy A70. And there is no information if this thing is optical or ultrasonic. I'll get the information really soon. I accidentally checked the last option. You have to untick this one cause that's gonna create the lock screen advertisement. So never mind. Let's check out the fingerprint sensor right now. Alright, that's actually faster than the Galaxy A50. Okay, so that's great. That's impressive. This one is actually impressive guys. That's almost equivalent to the Galaxy S10 Plus. I've used the S10 Plus also, and this thing is fast. Wow. And again, I'm saying the best thing about this one is that blue color option. Just go with this color. It looks really beautiful in hands. There's 32 plus 5 plus 8 megapixel cameras. One is wide angle lens while other is the depth sensor, and also there's 32 megapixel front facing shooter. Alright, so let's see if there's any software update available or not, cause it runs on the March 2019 security patches right now, and the A50 just got the April 2019 security patch just yesterday I think. So it's one step behind I think. Let me show you the speaker of this phone, cause That's the main thing I want to see, cause Galaxy A50 is not having such impressive speaker. Let's see. Alright, okay. The speaker is just amazing. Wow Samsung, you have done an impressive job there. There's one more exciting feature with this one. It is having the 4500 mAh battery. That's the highest right now in the Galaxy A phones. The speed test, the battery test, maybe camera comparison coming really soon. And I really like this gorgeous color option. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.